Sometimes you want to automate a form so that when one action occurs on the form, another action will occur automatically. In Dynamics CRM 2011, you had to do this with FormScript or with a third-party add-on like Sonoma Partners Dynamic Forms. In CRM 2013, there is a built-in capability called Portable Business Logic, or business rules, that you can use to automate forms without the need to write any custom code. If I go to edit the form, in this case an opportunity form, it's going to open up a new form window that I can edit the form and create and edit business rules. There's a Business Rules Explorer set up, and you can see I have 5 different rules that are enabled. And if I double click on one of these, you'll see that they are laid out and have conditions, actions, and a description. And that's all there is to it. I can set one or more conditions, and if those conditions are met, then I take action. And in this case, my actions that I'm doing are to hide a field current situation, hide a field customer need, and hide a field proposed solution. I have 5 different actions that I can take. I could show an error message to the user. I could set a field value to a static value or based off of the value of another field. I could set fields to be required or not required. I can toggle visibility of fields like we're doing in these actions, or I could lock or unlock a field, enabling it to be edited or read-only. So there's a lot of power packed into these business rules. You'll note in the upper right-hand corner, I can also define the scope. The scope can be either a specific form, or it can be all forms for that entity. Once I've defined a business rule, I can simply click Activate, and that will turn on the rule. Now that the rule is activated, I can go back to the form, and if I refresh the form, we'll see that if I set the customer type as existing customer, current situation, customer need, and proposed solution fields disappear. In this case, I still have the label of that section, but I don't have the underlying field anymore to be able to edit. So we can see how easy it is to define business rules. And if I wanted to change the rule, I could go back and simply deactivate the rule, and that will put the rule into an edit mode so I could make updates to this before I reactivate and make this rule available to my users. As you can imagine, business rules empower an administrator or business analyst to create very dynamic form scripting that can be used to create a more streamlined user experience.